Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create an event leaflet using Microsoft Design. This is a design tool that is a new design tool developed by Microsoft. I'm going to show you how to access to this page here. First of all, of course, you need to go to a browser. Just type Microsoft Designer. I've already been visiting this page for quite some time, so it's actually here. Now, once you go to here, you click on Microsoft Designer here. Now you will show this on your screen. Now this is the page that we want to use to create your leaflet. I'm going to close my site here. Yeah? So now, because Thanksgiving is coming soon in November, I'm going to create a leaflet that an event of Thanksgiving for cooking class here. So I'm going to type here create an event flyers for Thanksgiving cooking class. Now here, the reason why I type here, it will actually prompt by the AI. The reason I use this because it's faster, I would say. Whatever you want, you just type what you want here and it actually be prompted by the AI. So I'm going to click generate. On this right panel, it will show you the templates based on what text you have written here. Now, if you find any of this suitable, you can just use. But I'm going to show you one suggestion here. It's actually prompted by the AI. Click to try this suggestion. Create a warm and inviting event flyer for a Thanksgiving cooking class. Include images of traditional Thanksgiving dishes and use warm colors like brown, orange, brown, and yellow. Now, it's up to you whether you want to use this prompt, but I feel that this prompt is more detailed. But however, if your prompt written here that when you find this template is suitable for you, you can actually click and use either one. Now to see the full template here, now this site shows a video site, but for me, I'm going to use just a template without a video. So if you want to look at any of this template here, you just can click the plus button here. This is the one. Okay, now if you want to use this template, you can just click on it and the custom button will show here. You can actually click on it. Now, for me, I would like to try on this prompt because it's more detailed. So I'm going to click on this prompt and click generate. Now, this is the one that shows based on this prompt here. It's always, these tools will always give you a prompt suggestion. But if you find whatever is suitable for you, you just select one and use it. Now, if this is not suitable and yet you want to use this same prompt, you just need to click generate. If you find any, no, then I'll click generate again. Okay, I'm going to generate a final one. I'm going to try this. Okay. Now this is more like it, at least it's bright color. And I quite like this for this one. It gives you a more warm and a kind of celebration mood. Okay, so I'm going to pick this, but before that I would like to see what's installed here. Now if you want to use this size, I think you can actually resize here. This is for you to resize. You can click size, square. So this is the square size. All right. Landscape and portrait. I would prefer a portrait landscape size because I want to post it into my Facebook, in my group of friends, for telling them I have an upcoming class for this coming Thanksgiving, a cooking class. So I'm going to choose landscape for Facebook ad. Now again, you have to let the AI to generate a new design. Yeah, this is more likely. These are actually generated based on this prompt here. I would like something more colorful and bright. Okay, I'm going to choose this. Okay, but it's up to you whether you want this, or this. But I like something warm, cozy, and bright color. It's based on this term here. All right. So I'm going to click the plus sign to have a look. What is it about? Okay. Thanks for your Thanksgiving. Join us Thanksgiving feast. But this one is not about cooking class, but here is more on create a warm and inviting Thanksgiving cooking class leaflet. But it's nothing talk about cooking class. But it's all right. I'm going to use this template. I'm going to edit the text. Okay. I'm going to select. To select the template, just go to the template here, hover your cursor to the template and click on your mouse. Now you can immediately download if you want the original design template. Click download here, but I want to custom the design, so I have to click custom design. Okay, this is how it looks like, the editor. This is the editor. Now please ignore this unless you want to select a new design template. But for now, I'm not going to go into this, but I want to close this. Just close this by clicking the X sign here. Now this is the editor. Okay, here the template. Okay, there are more templates that you can actually choose, but you have to search again. To me, I'm not going to search a template. I'm going to use this template to design. Here, my media, this is what I can do. Upload your file. You can upload your file from your computer, Google Drive, photo, your phone. You can use phone to scan the QR code, your Dropbox. Okay. Visual. Visual means these are all the graphics, photo, and video you can actually find here. This is to generate. I'm not going to go into this. Maybe soon or later I'll generate, see how it works on here, right? And text. This is where I'm going to use this text to edit this text. Today I'm not going to change any of the photo. I like the color. I like the photos. I'm going to change the text to a Thanksgiving cooking class. Okay, now I'm going to use this text because it's a seasonal Thanksgiving. I would prefer this text to be more seasonal. All right. Now I prefer this text. It's like a seasonal invitation kind of text. It's more fun and exciting. So I'm going to select this text. Now this one I'm going to put here. You just have to highlight, double click everything and highlight. Okay, join our cooking, maybe join our Thanksgiving cooking class. Okay, join our Thanksgiving cooking class. Now here you can select the color. If I want this color, this is what I do. Copy here, copy, go back to the text, go to the plus sign, color picker again, paste. Now you see the color change. Now I can actually delete this. To delete this text is actually very simple. Select the text and then right click. You can actually delete the text here. Okay. Now I'm going to use this text to place here. You just have to drag this pointer here. As long as you select this and the cursor change to arrow sign, you can actually start to drag and to resize it. Okay, this is how I resize it. Point at either of these four corner white dots. As long as the cursor color change to the cursor shape change to 2 pointers, you can actually drag here. Okay, this is where you can rotate. I'm going to rotate here. You can see the 0 sign. You can see here the 0 sign, which means it's aligned. Now, because because this text needs to fit into this element, square element here, so I have to resize this. Okay. Now, one thing I like here is you can just click again, position the text in the middle. You can look at the guides here. Okay, now here is middle. Join our Thanksgiving cooking class. Okay, let me close this. Now this text here, I'm going to rotate this and change some text here to inform the participant how and where the date and time of the class. Okay. I'm going to edit all these things, all these text here. I have to double click. Book your seat. Okay, limited seat. I just put a limited seat. To actually here are all the text tools here. You can actually align, center, right alignment, justify, but I would prefer center alignment. And I can actually copy the text or duplicate the text. Edit the text, double click, get your seat. Okay. Now, because I need to contrast these two texts here, so what I do is I'm going to get a square element, a visual, they call it, graphic. Now you can, because I've been using this, I have all this under recently used. You can actually search, or you can look for shapes here, illustration. These are all the things that you can, these are all the illustration you can use. Icon. But for me, I want shape, or you can actually search the graphic here. I'm using this one, so I'm going to choose this. Outline, organic graphic. I'm going to choose this. And now I want to change this color to this. So what I do is I'm going to click here. I can actually select this. Okay. Now because this is too light, actually it doesn't show any different. I'm going to change here again. You can actually select all colors here. I'm going to change this one. Okay. So I'm going to resize and reshape this visual or this element. Now you see, when I put here, when I position this element, square element here, it's actually on top of the text. Now, how do I reposition this element at the back so that the text can appear on it? what I do is I go to position, stand to the back. Right, now you can see the element is at the back. I'm going to resize this. Now I'm going to change the text color to white. Yeah, okay, this looks better. But I have to adjust the element again. Okay, a bit smaller. Get your seat now. So I'm going to align the text with the box. Here, you can see the guide here. Okay, now this is aligned. All right. So limited seat. Maybe this one I want to make it a bigger. Now to move this, of course, now the design and the text and the element is all in one place. To move this, you may actually click on the text or the element to remove individually. But for me, I'm not going to do that because I like this alignment already. I'm going to select both elements, the text and the square element. Okay. Now, this is all selected. So what you do is you just move your design. If you select one and move and then move this, you have to readjust everything again. So I'm not going to do that. So remember, if you think your design is already perfect, so what you do is highlight both elements till it change to this kind of selection. Then you just hover over it and move whatever you want here or here or anything else. Now for me, I want to design this to make it more prominent. Limited seat. I have to highlight slightly bigger. I'm going to change the text to, you can use slider or plus or minus sign to reduce the size of the font. Yes, this is much better. 26. Okay, limited seat. Centralize it. Alright. So this is limited seat. Duplicate the text and just have to type individually. Okay. Adjust it individually. Right. So I'm to bring this text to here so it looks not so apart, you know, the line, the space, the line of these two texts. So this looks much better. Yeah. Limited seat, get your seat now. Or get your ticket now. I think, should I change get your ticket now? Hold on. Get your ticket now. Yeah, this is much better. Okay. I need to insert the text, venue, date and time, and of course the website. Or maybe I'm going to put this tool here. Duplicate the text. change to black. Venue. Right click, duplicate. Date. Paste again. Delete this. Copy. Paste. Right. To get your ticket now should be here. Now here I'm going to put get your ticket now at where, you know, the location or the website. So but right now this tool is still new. The leaflet cannot actually insert an URL for you to click on the link. So what you do is you have to share this into your Facebook, this entire leaflet into your Facebook. Get your ticket now at, I'm going to copy a text here, paste. www. event.com. You have to type your own contact number or your website, you know. So yeah, this is the then this one I'm going to copy, duplicate. I'm going to put telephone number here in case your customer or your friends or anyone else or your Facebook follower would like to call. 0123 456 0123 456 Yep. This is how. Now, I think that's about it. Anything else that you want to add? Let me just go through here. Any visual I can add on it. Illustration or party. So in fact, I'll look at the pattern here. Maybe I'll just pick one of this. Okay. So it won't look so bored. I'm going to pick one of this. I'm going to change the color to this one or this one, or maybe brighter color, this one. Minimize here. It's up to you whether you want to add or not. I'm going to change this color. I think this one will be fine. So I'm doing visual again. See what else I can actually add on. Yeah. maybe I'll add some of this. I'll change the color. This one. Okay, it cannot be changed the color, it's only one way. So maybe just leave it like that. Okay? I don't think I like this. Just have to delete. Visual again. Maybe I'll just select this. Yeah, this looks fine. I'll just change some color. Opacity. Change a bit of the opacity. It looks different. Position. I'm going to send to the back. Maybe to the front. Or I'll just delete this. Maybe I look for fireworks. Visual graphic fireworks. Yeah, this looks better. Opacity, make it slightly. So this is the, I'm going to make it bigger and change the color. Slightly darker. This color, make it more, yeah. So, smaller. Somewhere here. It's up to you how you want to design that. Copy this, duplicate it, just a different color. I think that's about it. Okay. So now how you download this leaflet. All you need to do is click here, download. Download as PNG, of course it's recommended PNG. Click download here, or you can copy as image. Once you copy as image, you can actually share immediately to your WhatsApp. Of course, you have to turn on your WhatsApp on the desktop, because now I'm designing from the desktop. Now, if you want to send to phone, you have to click send to phone and a QR code will appear. I'm going to show you later, but now I'm going to show you how you want to download this design that you have completed. Okay, now we call it, I'm going to rename this, yeah, because right now the name is this one. I'm going to rename this design. Join our Thanksgiving cooking class. Okay, so click download. Make sure it is PNG since it's recommended. Click download. Now immediately it shows you download completed. And this is the prompt that shows here, which means your design is already completed. Download is completed is written here. This is how you do it. Thank you for watching. I just want to say that if you have watched this tutorial till the end, I want to say thank you so much for your support. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell so you won't miss any new tutorial coming up. Thank you so much again.